Hello all, welcome back to our today's session about an introduction on our paper 4. Okay, as we are seeing from paper 1, paper 2, paper 3 and at last we are in the step for paper number 4. Okay, in paper number 4 again it is CA Foundation. In CA Foundation you are having paper number 4. In this paper number 4 you are having a paper name is Business Economics. Business economics is a name which has been given to this paper. It is an 100 marks MCQ based paper, purely based on MCQs under the new scheme. Previously, in the old scheme, it is about only 60 marks. Remaining 40 marks has been the old concept called business commercial knowledge. Now they have removed that and they have exclusively it's for business economics. What they have done from the previous old syllabus CA Inter, they have taken and they have extracted from CA Inter and they have put it in a CA Foundation level. So now previously those 5 chapters has been retained along with this 4 additional chapters should be included and total 9 chapters you are going to learn. So under this you are going to learn 9 chapters. Okay, this 9 chapters will be a comprehensive learning of your 11th and 12th curriculum. Whatever you have studied in 11th and 12th with some more good conceptual clarity along with more and more reality examples, you are going to do it in business economics paper. Okay, I'm just giving a very simple meaning, that is what is in paper 4. That's a simple thing. I'm going to explain it to you. Okay, first chapter in our syllabus is nature, scope of business economics. It is nature and scope of business economics. Okay, in this business economics again we are having 2 units bifurcated into unit 1 and unit 2. In this unit 1, a basic introduction about what is an economics, how the economics is function, everything they have given. In unit number 2, they have given a basic problems of economy, what to do, how to do. That's like a basic problems of an economy. And role of price mechanism, like capitalism, socialism, and mixedism. India is following a model called mixedism. Okay, so everything you will learn it in chapter number 1. And coming back for chapter number 2, which is a very interesting chapter. The chapter is theory of demand and supply. Theory of demand and supply. In this theory of demand and supply, again you are having 3 units. Okay, unit 1 is about law of demand and elasticity of demand, unitary elastic. Like this, you are going to learn it in law of demand. Next, you are going to learn about theory of consumer behavior, which forms part of your 11th standard syllabus. Okay, 11th standard economic syllabus, whether it is a state board or it is a CBSE. And then it is supply. Okay, 3rd unit. Then followed by the 3rd chapter. The 3rd chapter is theory of production and cost. Up to 5 chapters is same as per old syllabus. Okay, up to 5 chapters, there is no change. The old syllabus and new syllabus, it is same. Because why I'm telling, why I'm comparing and telling, because in suppose the old syllabus student may come to the new syllabus also. like they could not able to clear the CA Foundation old syllabus, then they will come to CA Foundation new syllabus. At that time, it will be helpful for them. Okay. Because any of the live classes and recording classes is going to be there with you, so that and keep all the students in mind and training to you. Okay, chapter and coming back and unit number 1, you are having called theory of production. What is production and all you will learn. And unit number 2. Unit number 2 is based on theory of cost. Theory of cost. And then chapter 4. Chapter 4 is price determination in different markets. Price determination in different markets. In this, you are going to learn about what are the types of market first. First, meaning the meaning and what are the types of market, short-term market, long-term market, and then based on the types we are having, what are the types of markets you are going to learn. And then unit number 2, how to determine a price, determination of prices. That's your second unit. Unit number 3 is about price output, oligopoly market, monopolistic market, pure competition. Okay, bipolar market. Okay, we are having so many types of markets, and that how you are going to determine the price. That is price output determination under different market forms. Okay, next. Chapter 5 is a very simple chapter, everyone's favorite chapter, that is business cycle. Okay, it's a chapter number 5. From till this is as per old scheme. The same they brought it forward in new scheme. From here onwards, if I write it in brown color, it is completely new which you are going to study if you are a CA Foundation student. Anyhow, it is there in your 11th and 12th curriculum. But as of now, it is newly inclusive topic. Chapter number 6 is determination of national income. The same thing which you have learned it in 12th standard state board, or whether it is a CBSE as the case. Your unit number 1 is based on how to accounting and national income. National income accounting. That's your unit number 1. And your unit number 2, it's based on the Keynesian theory. Keynesian theory of what? Determination of national income. That's about unit 2. And then in chapter number 7, we are having chapter called public finance. It's called public finance. In this, you are having 4 units. Your unit number 1 is based on fiscal function. It gives an overview about the center and the state finance. And unit number 2 is based on a new insertion like market failure. Okay, market failure, or when the government intervention to correct market failure. Is a interesting. This chapter number 7 will be very much interesting. Okay, area to learn, because everything you should learn from a conceptual point of view, because you are not going to sit and write for 10 pages or 20 pages. It's like MCQ. So your focus should be on your conceptual clarity. Unit number 3 is nothing but process of budget making. Process of budget making is your third unit. And fourth unit is how to frame a fiscal policy. That's your fourth unit. That's all with chapter number 7, which would be some more lengthier chapter. Okay, but an interesting chapter. Chapter number 8 is another interesting area to focus, that is regarding money markets. Everyone's favorite. My favorite is money market. And then in this, you are having unit number 1. In this unit number 1, we are simply going to learn about concept of money demand, along with some theories, some economics theories you are going to learn. And then second, it is about concept of money supply. M1, M2, M3, M4 and all you will going to learn. And in chapter 3, you are going to follow a unit number 3, you are going to follow a monetary policy. Okay, with this, the 3 unit is done. And your final unit, which is a lengthier unit, which took more time to complete, that is about an international trade. So this international trade, you are having total 5 units. Your unit number 1 is based on theories. What theories? Theories of international trade. And unit number 2, it's based on instruments of trade policy. What trade policy? International trade policy. And unit number 3 is based on trade negotiation. Then fourth unit is based on exchange rate. The differentiation between dollar and Indian rupee, INR, and all you are going to learn. And it's most important, economic effects. Okay. Then unit number 5 is based on international capital movements. One more thing I need to just change it. You are having not 9 chapters, you are having total 10 chapters. Sorry, it is not 9 chapters, it is total 10 chapters, out of which the last chapter they have inserted new is about an Indian economy. Overall, how the Indian economy is being. That's about your 10th chapter. Okay, so this is about an entire discussion on paper number 4. What is the subject you are having, how it is going to learn. The same what you have learned it in 11th and 12th. You have learned it for 5 marks, theory, paragraph, description, brief answers, long answer, short answer you will learn. But in CA Foundation, it's completely an MCQ based. So when it is an MCQ based, you can easily score good marks. In this paper, your minimum target, I am saying it is a minimum target, should be 75 plus. Minimum target should be 75 plus is your minimum target. For that, you are going to focus more on the lower part. That is chapter 6, chapter 7, chapter 8 and chapter 9 along with chapter 10. Because anyhow up to chapter 5, you have somehow very good basics in your 12th standard. Chapter number 6, 7, 8, 9 and all, you need to learn the conceptual based clarity you want to know. So then in that case, your focusing should be more on chapter 6, 7, 8 and 9 because you are going to learn it with full focus. And from chapter number 1 to 5, it will be a very simple here and there. Chapter number 2 will be some more little bit confusing areas that faculty will take care. That's not an issue. Okay, so as usual, we will just calculate the units as per our classes. What is it? Total units. So 5, 7 and up to it is 10, 11, 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16. Just 1 minute. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26. So total, you are going to learn 26 units with 10 chapters. 10 chapters has been bifurcated into 26 units. So in this paper, it is also one of the scoring paper, the strategy, how to prepare this paper, everything we will be upload and we will take the classes in the near future. Okay, this is an introduction class about all the 4 papers we have seen from yesterday and day before yesterday. We have seen from paper 1, paper 2, we have seen paper 3 is done. Now we are in the paper 4 discussion. So once with the paper 4 discussion, entire about CA Foundation is over. Now you can focusing on each and individual papers and each and individual classes you can focus. They able to understood? Yes. Thank you. Okay, start with your preparation with full focus. You are having more enough time because the new syllabus exam is going to be June 2024 only. You are nearly having around, let's say, 9 months time, October, November and December, January, February, March, April, some days in April, May, 8 months, and some days in September and few days in June also, half of month you are having. So nearly 9 months you are having. So start your preparation. You can be able to clear it within the first attempt. Okay, concentrate on the chapters, focus on the areas what you want to learn. Okay, for some person theory of demand and supply should be, they will be more and more interesting. They will learn to the depth of the subject. Okay, so make sure you are learn paper number 4 with good conceptual clarity. Okay, thank you. Have a good day.